In this video, I'm going to show you all how to delete your Telegram account. The first thing we're going to do is open our Telegram app. Here, after opening your Telegram app, you'll be able to see your chats on the front page. And on the left hand side, you'll be able to see a hamburger option. Today here, we'll be working with the hamburger option, so tap on it. After that, on the third last option, you'll be able to see option settings. Tap on settings. After tapping on settings here, you'll be able to see various options such as account settings and so on. Scrolling down, you'll be able to see option help. Here you'll be able to see three options: ask a question, Telegram FAQ, and privacy and policy. Here we'll be tapping on Telegram FAQ. Scroll down and you'll be able to see a option your account. Here you'll be able to see various options such as who can see my phone number, log out of Telegram, and so on. Here on the fifth option, you'll be able to see delete your Telegram account. Tap on it. After tapping on delete your Telegram account, here you'll be welcomed in a page where you'll be told how you can delete your account. On the second line, you'll be able to see deactivation page. This is a link that is gonna take you towards the deletion or deactivation of your Telegram account. After tapping on the link, you'll be welcomed in a website where you'll be said delete account or manage apps. Here you'll have to type your phone number in international format in order to delete your account. After you have typed your phone number, tap on next. After that, here you'll be able to get a confirmation code. Type the code that you have received. After that, you'll be welcomed in another page where you'll be said delete your account, and in this page it is said that once you delete your account, your messages and contacts will be deleted and cannot be retrieved again. After you're sure you want to delete your Telegram account, here you'll be able to see a box where you'll be asked why are you leaving. Type the reason as to why you are leaving. And after that, tap on delete my account. Once again, tap on yes, delete my account. As you can see, your account was successfully deleted from our system. So thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.